guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be opening Super Hero Hello Kitty Hero from McDonald's Hello Kitty toys. Peter with some measurements.
Is it from Happy Meal?
Yeah. Let's open it. This is Hello Kitty. What are we supposed to use this for anyways? Oh. Her cape goes up and her hands go up and down too. If her hands goes up, the cape kind of does too. I think it's broken. It's supposed to be like there, but it's like that. It just pops. This is the back. This is the front, baby. She has a cute bow. She has a pink mask where I never saw her wearing. She has a pink cape that doesn't.
Do you really love Hello Kitty?
I never watched the movie. There's a movie of you?
I don't know. But
How do you walk?
There is a Hello Kitty land. You want to go there?
I went there.
You didn't? You never been there before?
I went there. In Macau there's one. So I went
okay.
there and now there's no more. It's closed.
The original one should be in Japan.
Okay, go.
Yeah, sure, of course.
After quarantine.
Well, for quarantine, or you got a million subscribers.
I've got 1 million subscribers. But
So
I'll
help you
never
out. You asked the people to help you out, right?
help me out. I want 100,000 subscribers because I want new games. I want to play new games. I'll tell you that. Our videos are not the time they're posted. They're made. A video a few years ago that was posted like today.
We recorded.
Because my cameraman, I have so many videos that he can't even edit it all. So, bye. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. We want 1 million subscribers. So press that subscribe button. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.